Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to use Canva for cover pages. First, open Canva and navigate to the search bar. Type cover page to explore a wide array of pre-designed templates. Select a template that aligns with your project's aesthetic and purpose. This initial step sets the foundation for a professional and visually appealing cover. You'll be amazed by the variety available. Now, let's personalize your cover page. Click on any text box to edit the content, adding your unique title, author, and other relevant information. You can easily upload your own photos or choose from Canva's vast collection of millions of stock images. Drag and drop elements to achieve a harmonious composition, ensuring everything looks just right. Experiment with different arrangements. Once you're comfortable with the notes, it's time to develop speed and add dynamic expression. Gradually increase your tempo, perhaps by 5 beats per minute at a time, using a metronome for unwavering precision. Experiment with playing certain sections louder or softer to bring out the melody's character. Remember, musicality comes from more than just hitting the right notes. It's about conveying emotion and energy through your performance. Finally, it's time to finalize and export your masterpiece. Take a moment to thoroughly review your cover page for any typos, alignment issues, or design inconsistencies. Once satisfied, select your desired download format. PDF print is excellent for high-quality printing, while JPG is perfect for web use. You can then easily share your polished cover page with the world. Congratulations on your new cover.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.